Hi, good morning. So, don't skip this video. Save this video. If you are a friendly person, pakinggan mo to. So, it will save you a lot of time, heartache in your future if you watch this video. So, I'll just wanna share to you yung nangyari kay Job kung saan kinausap na siya ng Panginoon. And in this part, ang Diyos naman, kinausap niya ang mga kaibigan ni Job. Sabi dito, after the Lord had said these things to Job, He said to Eliphaz, the Temanite, I am angry with you and your two friends. Alam ng Panginoon kung sino yung mga nagsasalita ng hindi maganda during the hard times. Because you had not spoken the truth about me, as my servant Job has. So now take 7 bulls and 7 rams, and go to my servant Job and sacrifice a burnt offering for yourselves. My servant Job will pray for you, and I will accept his prayer, not to deal with you according to your folly. You have not spoken the truth about me, as my servant Job has. So Eliphaz the Temanite, Bildad the Shuhite, and Zophar the Naamite did what the Lord told them, and the Lord accepted Job's prayer. They are forgiven. Yung mga kaibigan ni Job was forgiven because of Job. So you have to be careful who your friends. If your friends talk about negative about God, lumayo ka sa kanila. If your friend don't believe in God, lumayo ka sa kanila. Kasi the Lord, in His time, the Lord will judge those friends. And minsan, kung tayo naman yung napapariwara, tayo naman yung mga klase na kaibigan na nagkakaroon ng maling decision in life, somehow, mas napapaganda yung patutunguhan natin kasi hindi tayo kundi yung kaibigan natin, yung faith ng kaibigan natin, yun yung nakikita ng Panginoon. Pansinin niyo, if you have a believer who is righteous in God's eye, isang prayer lang yan, God will answer your prayer. Isang pray niya lang sa'yo ng healing, God will answer your prayer. Not just because of your own faith, but faith ng kaibigan mo. So you have